Snehdeep Precision Component is an engineering firm situated at Talavde, Pune. The company started in the year 1996 with a single CNC machine and has grown a long way through the support of its customers. Snehdeep Precision caters to clients like Atlas Copco, Elican, and many more engineering and automotive manufacturers.
In 1996, we have started this Snehdeep CNC house with a single machine. In 2006-7, we jumped in the area of HMC because it was a requirement in the market that HMC gives some components made on HMC. So we have purchased some 2-3 machines. We found that those to run the second-hand machines is a very difficult task for us. Again, it is not giving the productivity. So we decided to go for new machines. When we visited in the MTEX in 2011 and we visited BFW plant, that was the turning point for us. That changed our mind not to recondition or retrofit the old machines, better to go for new machines. We stand in the market, we have to give quality, delivery, cost, everything we have, it should be competitive everywhere. Then only we can get the components. So we are trying to be in top in all these things. So that's why we are always in their top list of our customers. That okay, if any development is there, the first name comes in their mind that okay, give this component to Snehdeep like this. That is the reputation we have earned with that. We are doing about 15% components for automotive, 85% is for engineering industry. Basically, most of the components are within 10 to 20 microns, like these the tolerances, and there are relative dimensions accuracies are also required in most of the components. So the concentricity, then there's that's a roughness value. All these are measured. We have CMM also, so we measure it and give the report to them along with our supplies. Before buying a BFW, we have taken the quotation of all the Indian competitors of BFW, also some export suppliers also, and we have taken some survey of our friends who is having BFW, who is having some other makes, and finally we came to conclusion that okay, brand, cost, and all these we compare. It is the best thing to go to BFW. We have now the 3 BFW machines. First machine was the MPH 500. That means the table size is 500 by 500. Second machine, this machine we have purchased in the year 2011. Second one we have purchased in the year 2014. That is the MPH 650 machine, having table size 630 by 630. All are HMC machines. Third machine we have purchased last year, that is in 2017. The model is Prima 65. Table size is 630 by 800. And fourth machine, which is coming in the next month, is January 2019. That is again same Prima 65. We repeated that machine. When first machine we ordered, the requirement was sub 4 mm hole, dia hole, having a length of 400 length. So that requires some 70 bar kg pressure through coolant pressure. The BFW was supplying up to 40 bar kg pressure, but we told us our requirement. They have developed the coolant system with 70 bar and given the machine to us. That means whatever the customer's requirement, they want to fulfill that. Or where we are suffering, they are trying to help them in that case. BFW having a regional office in Pune, so within 1 hour their service engineer comes. If we call in the evening or night, the next day the person comes and they gives the total service. I think if we see our breakdown time and breakdown history, I think hardly some 0.5% or less than that the breakdown time is there for all the 3 machines right now. We are going to expand, and yes, BFW is our major counterpart, or they are supporting us all the way. So we will again go with the BFW. We are totally happy with the BFW.
The company believes that BFW is an innovative company. Their products and services really demonstrates innovation. Snehdeep Precision Components will always use and recommend BFW machines.